In this video we are going to understand the recurring deposit related stuff, like how to create, how to delete the recurring stuff. Okay, so let's get started. I have created few customers. I'm going to just search one customer, that is F-1, which is file number 1 customer. And so once I get the details of the customer, I click deposit here so that I can create recurring deposit. Now in recurring deposit, let's say amount is 500, and I'm going to give 6% rate of interest on the deposit, and I kept this deposit for, let's say, 10 weeks. Okay, so the calculated amount is 5,000, and I just click save. So deposit number 3 is created here. Now I'm going to search the deposit number 3 here. So I'll get the details about that deposit. Okay. Now 5,000, which is the due, is shown here. I'm going to receive that amount. And let's say next deposit 500, I'm going to get that 750. All right, I can get any amount as a collection of that recurring deposit. I click 750 and receive here. Now if I just click transaction and scroll down, I will get to know that I got two deposits here, 500 and 750. And if I click on the details here, so that I can get the details about the installment. So 500 received for first installment, and 750, so 500 for second installment, whereas 250 additional received for third installment. Now let's say by mistake I created the 750, I want to modify date or some sort of changes. So what you can do is you just click the transaction here. You will get the list of transactions here, and then you delete the last transaction. Yes. Okay, and search deposit 3 again. Okay, if you click details now, you will see that only one transaction received. Now the second transaction, which was supposed to be 750, and you missed to change, you can just change the date and set it here and receive. Okay, so you received that transactions, and now if you check in details, you will get to know the details accordingly. Okay, and if you click on transactions here, you will get the transaction details. You can select and delete the specific. So we have allowed to delete the last transactions. For example, if we select and delete last one, then the second last will be enabled to delete. All right, so this is how you can manage the recurring deposit in Jainam Software. And there are so many other features, but this video we dedicated to deposits, and that is also for recurring deposits. Similarly, you can try other deposit systems in Jainam Software. In case you need any help, please let us know. All right, and kindly subscribe Jainam Software YouTube channel so that you will be notified with the updated videos. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day.